When working on a part with edge flanges and tab features like the one I have here, it's now possible to use the pattern and mirror features on them. Previously, this functionality was not supported. This will most certainly save you time by not having to recreate the sheet metal flanges or tabs manually. Let me show you an example. I'll open the pattern feature and select an edge for the direction. I'll enter in a distance and number of instances. Then I'll select both edge flange and the hem for the features to pattern. I'll select OK, and the features are patterned. Next, I'll mirror the pattern. I'll open the mirror feature, select a mirror plane, and select the linear pattern in the features to mirror the selection box. I'll click OK, and the mirror is complete. One thing to be careful of here. While the support for patterns and mirroring of sheet metal features like this are great, you must have the appropriate geometry available for the copied geometry to attach. For example, if I were to mirror these features again, but this time if I choose a mirror face that's not in the center of the part, the feature will fail, since the flanges wouldn't end up in a spot that lets them attach to the rest of the sheet metal part.